What you hear now is not just a whistle. This is a real language called the bird language. See, I am here at a remote village in the mountains of Turkey. And because the houses of this village are far from each other, the locals decided that to communicate, it's easier to whistle. This village has developed a new language that has over 250 unique words that is taught at schools to kids and that's been around for over 500 years. For example, this is a conversation. And these conversations can happen over a 2.5 kilometer distance. In a world full of languages,